Hey guys, welcome to my channel. How's it going? I hope you're all doing really well. So I know I said my next declutter was going to be my bedroom. I just can't face it today. Look, I'm just going to give you a preview. Like, things I need to put away. My desk. Like, it's just, there's just stuff. And dolls. And stuff. And stuff. And stuff. So I'm being easy on myself. It's hot, so I'm gonna go and do the utility room downstairs, which is a much smaller room, which I feel like we can get done really nice and quickly, and then I'll like pump myself up to do this one. Yeah, let's go and do the utility room. If you're enjoying this series, please do give it a big thumbs up. It really does mean the world to me, and if you could subscribe and share, that would be even better. It's totally free to subscribe, in case you didn't know. Completely free, don't charge you anything. Amazing. Especially, oh, it's dark out here. You get this kind of professional quality, so why would you not? So this is the utility room. This is the room that has the window to the catio. So the cats are all of our cats are indoor cats. They have this catio outside, which we are going to make even bigger. But this is how they get in and out, because then we can shut this door and it doesn't let the heat out when it's obviously not at the moment because it's freaking boiling. But their water fountain splashes everywhere. No matter what I do, it splashes. I'm now washing their bowls. They drop their food everywhere. I clean this every single day, and they just go in and out and just make so much mess. And then yeah, I've got crap in the cupboards, more crap in the cupboards, Gary, more crap in the cupboards. Just, yeah, for a small room, there's just a lot of crap everywhere. So we are going to do this today. I think my first port of call is just going to be to empty this of stuff and wipe it down. I can't even remember what I filmed. It's literally 4 days later. I wiped all this down. I've got to do it again because this bloody thing has just leaked everywhere. Yeah, I've cleared it all. This is just some pizza dough that we're making. It's just sitting. I can't unplug that because that's the internet. That just lives there. But yeah, so that's all cleared. So now I'm going to go through this cupboard, see what we've got, bring it all out, and then we're going to put some stuff back. And then we're going to do the same with that one. We'll do this one first. Squeaky Leaks has come to help. Not that she wanted to, I'm forcing her to because I'm mean. It's all stuff from my cake business, which I don't have anymore. So I still like baking and things. We're going to put these in other places, I think. In the drawer, please, little legs. Then we've got that. I'll definitely keep that. I don't know. Do I need this? I got this in Canada. I suppose we can make little cakes with that, couldn't we? So we'll keep that one. We've got loads of random lids, so I'll put them in there on the table. I'm going to get rid of them. I'm going to get rid of that. I'm going to get rid of that. I've got a meat tray, which I never use. I'm going to get rid of this. This is like to make cakes in, an Easter one. Don't need that. That can be hung with the other ones. Wow. I'll put, you won't be able to reach it. I'm going to keep this one because it's cute with skulls. I don't feel like I need that one either. That's for when we make donuts. These are nice little tins for making cakes, which I'm actually going to make a cake in a little while for someone. Yeah. So we'll keep those. This one we'll keep. And then this one we'll keep. So yeah, we're going to stack these, and then we're either going to put them in here or in here. I'm not sure yet. So this is what we're keeping. This is what we're getting rid of. Undetermined. washing stuff up here so the kids can't get it. Cat flea treatment, the dehumidifier things, and then extra toilet rolls. And then baking trays that I don't use very often, and then these are takeaway tubs. Napkins and party bags, sherbet, gloves, jugs. And now I'm gonna, these are like spinny. I'm gonna empty these and see, God, there's flour in there. See what we've got. Oh, I'm selling this. This is Fox's. It was a booster seat, like a clip-on one, but he doesn't use it anymore, so that needs to be sold. I will empty this and show you what we're working with. I don't know, mate. I've emptied the cupboard. There's lots of stuff in it, and a cat has already taken over this cupboard despite... Oh, there's another one down there. Chippy, what are you doing? Excuse me, sir. Oh, can I interest you in getting out of my cupboard? Mr. Binks? Mr. Binks? He's like trying to get me with his paw. What are you doing? Can you get my camera? Oh, hello. Say hi. Binksy. Good little boy. Get out of my cupboard. Anyway, so we've got a popcorn maker. We're going to keep this. We're going to put it in here. I think I'm going to put appliances in here. I found an iron. Didn't know we had an iron. We don't iron anything, so I've no idea why we've got it. But I feel like I should keep it just in case someone stays and needs to iron something. But we don't iron. Tupperware. Bowls. Massive glass thing. More bowls. Like, that's just a lot. So I'm going to organise the appliances and get them out of the way and then see what we're left with. Alright, I've put some Tupperware in here. I've got more Tupperware in other places, so I will bring it all and just have this top shelf as Tupperware. This one is empty at present. I've put iron, coffee maker, popcorn maker that I don't use all the time there. And that's all the same. So now I'm going to do this one. This one is like cleaning products. A cat toy that makes the cats go crazy. And then that one I think is like light bulbs and stuff. Okay, it's even later. It's literally like another 2 days later since I last filmed. I've emptied this cupboard and given it a wipe. He's Chippy. I hadn't been in this cupboard for so long in fact that I found a bottle tea, and Fox hasn't had bottles since he was like 1 and a bit, and he's near 3, so yeah, I haven't been in this cupboard for a long time. You can kind of see like that's just random. I don't polish anything because life's too short to polish things. Yeah, it's just like I've got, that's nearly empty. I'm never going to clean my oven with that. Viacal, these are things my mum brings around. Oven Pride sprays. These go at the front, and I do use these, but like literally anything past the front row I just don't ever use. Disinfectant, bleach and floor cleaner. Loads of dusters. A manky piping bag, some bin bags. Part of a autumnal wreath. Yeah, so I'm gonna sort these, and I think again I'm gonna put some, I'm not sure if I'm gonna put some stuff up here or not. I'm not entirely sure. I may end up putting all my cleaning products up here and then moving all the toilet rolls to another place, because I like the fact that they're up here and then the kids can't get them, because Fox is a bugger at the moment for getting in everything. So I may take the toilet rolls out, go through this what I want, and then put it up there. So that is the plan for the next one. Moved all these, put all the toilet rolls upstairs in the bathroom. So this one is the same. I've had to add this as a birthday present. This is where I hide birthday presents. I'm going to put some more appliances in here. And I think I'm going to put my really big food processor in here. I think that's the plan. So we're going to go through this next. This is like light bulbs and random bits and bobs. So I'm going to take it all out and we'll see what we've got. Empty. We have light bulbs that we bought for the house 2 houses ago. Nothing in our house has these, so we're going to get rid of them. Loads and loads of random light bulbs. But Ben says we have got something in the house that uses all of these, so we'll keep those. Shoe cleaner, shoe glue, grout things, electrical tape. We don't have anything in the house for a tie bulb, I don't know why we've got that. Washing machine cleaner. My favourite lunch box, like a bento box one. I love it. I've had this for years. shoe protector, and a magic sponge. So I'm gonna put the light bulbs back in the drawer. Put this in. I've done all my Tupperware in here now. Like, I've got so much, it's unreal, absolutely ridiculous. And then everything else like this, the magic sponge will go up with the cleaning products up there. And yeah, then we're going to go to this one, which I don't think has got a lot in. These shelves, I'm not sure if there's anything on top of my fridge. Oh yeah, there is, I can see that in the viewfinder. Yeah, this room's nearly done. There wasn't a lot in these thingies. I've also got a cool bag and a couple of cloths and some rubbish that I need to put away. So we've got some little envelopes that I use to sell crystals. If you want to buy crystals, I sell crystals. Loads of cloths. These were all my stepdad's because he was a window cleaner, so I've got loads of cloths. Some random tubs. The most annoying birthday candle in the world. That's an empty soda stream cylinder. Like the canister's in there, but it's got no gas in it anymore, and a bag for life. And then up here, I think I'm actually going to leave this as it is, bar removing the troll. Everything is just like cake stuff, so I'm just going to leave it there because it's not hurting anybody being there, and nothing else will go on those shelves. Up there I've got kitchen rolls and a bottle of vodka, and I'm going to take everything off there, and then we'll see where we are at with everything once all this is organised. This room is done. Just put the cloths there in a tub, Ben's cool bag, and then the empty one of them. I think you can hand those in. Shoe stuff, light bulbs, big appliance, all the Tupperware, small appliances, party stuff, cake tins that I don't use very often, and cleaning supplies. Left those up there because they're not hurting anybody. That's washing I need to do. That's washing I need to hang out. Yeah, that is the utility room.